So finally there is IKEA in Delhi now and I'm super excited for that. As someone who loves home decor and furnishing, IKEA has always been in my wish list and मुझे हमेशा से वो store visit करना था. And now that it's finally there in Delhi, so we are going to Pacific Mall today in Subhas Nagar क्योंकि वहीं पे IKEA खुला है. And in this video I'll show you guys what's there in IKEA, all their collection and also what I get from IKEA. So let's start this video. So it took me almost 2 hours to reach IKEA and finally on reaching Pacific Mall, इसके बाहर में बहुत बड़ा सा एक बैनर लगा हुआ था, IKEA store now in Pacific Mall, and now we are finally going to enter IKEA. It has always been a dream for me. Today my excitement is on another level and we reach here around 12:30 p.m. और यहाँ पे पहुँचते ही there were many people inside and now I'm going to take you guys around IKEA. First of all, I saw this study set up. It was so nice but not my aesthetic. You can get this whole setup for 30,500 rupees. The lamp here is for 999. By the way, this video is not at all sponsored by IKEA. I'm doing this by my own. The throw blanket here is for 699 and the cushion cover for 199, which I feel is very reasonable, and the price for this chair is 7990. And we pre-decided to get this basket from IKEA this time because it's gonna be useful for us. And there is this monstera, artificial monstera plant in the study table set up for 599. And then now there's a living room in a whole different aesthetic from mine. I did not like the setup of this much, but then if this is your aesthetic, you can go for it. But I really like the lamp which was kept in this room. It is for 4,490 rupees. I like the on-off system. The reason why I like IKEA is because they have good quality products in very reasonable price. Then I saw this basket which I wanted for my home also, and it is for 1,490, which I felt a bit pricey. Then this grocery bag for 499. By the way, this is not made from can or bamboo, but it is made from plastic. It doesn't look like plastic, but it is made from plastic. And here comes the 4-seater wooden dining table which I so wanted, and I'm definitely getting this in the future. This is the next dining table that I'm purchasing. It is for 19,990 rupees, for which I feel like it's reasonable. I literally love everything about this dining table set. And इस पे जो cups पड़ा हुआ था, जो glass था, it was for 599 पूरा set का, and this culinary set for 699 rupees. And moving forward, we got to see these stools. The stools were very nice. I like this side table. It was for 2,990, so better luck next time. But I really like these stools. It is for 2,490. Then here is another dining table. I like this one also, but I'll prefer the wooden one more. Then there's a place for the kids also to sit, and then mummy papa के लिए भी बढ़िया जगह है. I like the lily here also, and this table is for 2,990 rupees, which I feel is reasonable if the chairs are also included. And इस पे बहुत प्यारा सा donut भी पड़ा हुआ था. And I like the ceiling lamps. The quality of this lily almost looks like real, and it is for 1,490 rupees. Then moving forward, there is another dining set. This is for 11,990 rupees. The glass set here was for 679, and then I like the ceiling lamps यहाँ पे भी. And this is the basin area. Who doesn't want to have a good basin like this in the future? नीचे खुलते ही there's a place for vim sabun, scrubbers and all that. Then here you can keep all your wash dishes. And then I got to see this beautiful stool and with a very cute chopping board. You can get this set for 2,20,055 rupees only. We are obsessed with these glass bottles, so everywhere we go we look for glass bottles. And this trolley were also for 2,290. I like this one, but then abhi budget mein jo hai, this is 999 wala. This was also nice, but then I'll get it next time. And then here is my dream basin set. You know, this is the color that I want for my future basin. It is very nice. We bought like this one, but then abhi budget nahi hai iska bilkul bhi. This set is for 3,94,784 rupees only. And then इस पे ऐसे side में खुलने से you know, you can keep all your like pulses and then fruits, masalas, everything. This storage cabinet is for 69,190 rupees, which we want for our future house. And then here is a kitchen ka setup. We wanted a pen क्योंकि घर का pen काफ़ी पुराना हो गया, but it's for 2000 something, so not getting it now. And I really like this stove. It's inbuilt kitchen पे, and you know यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा वो भी था fruits के रखने के लिए containers. This will be good to keep your fruits in the fridge और कहीं ले जाने के लिए भी. And basin के नीचे पे ही you can keep all this like dal, rice and all of that. Then there was this oven and I don't know, dishwasher maybe. It's inbuilt. It's my dream kitchen. We got to see so many chairs in very reasonable price. And next, here is a gaming room. It is not my vibe at all because I don't play game except Ludo, but you can get this for 13,000 excluding the chair, which was for 17,000 something. And this chair was also quite comfy. Moving forward, here is the bedroom setup. You can literally buy anything that you see here, छोटा से छोटा decor से लेके बड़ा bed तक भी. Then there is a vanity set here यहाँ पे for the wife. Push करते ही यहाँ पे you can keep your makeup and all these clutchers and everything. And you can get this for 10,500 something. And ये बिस्तर के side पे ही you can have this bar corner जहाँ पे एक cupboard के अंदर you can store your wine, rum, all of that. And जब भी mood आएगा to escape the reality, you can just go on. I'm just kidding. And इसके side में जो एक lamp पड़ा हुआ है, it's for 5,990. Also the side table is nice. And यहाँ पे जो एक sofa है, it's very comfortable. I also want this in the future. If I have lots of money, I'll definitely get this. The price for this is 23,990 rupees only. Then here is the cupboard where you can keep your clothes. It is for 1,63,900 rupees only. And apart from your bed, you have a section for your baby also. तो बेबी के लिए भी जो सामान यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा है IKEA में. You can get this cradle for 12,990 rupees, जो मुझे लगता है कि अच्छा है. और this cute cloud lights also for 1,000 something. Then इसके आगे में था एक सिंगल जवान लड़की का रूम. तो मुझे यहाँ पे सबसे अच्छा लगा, it was this lamp which was for 2,490 rupees. For me this room setup looks like a maximalist girl का room. And then this color is what I want for the interior of my house. And here's a bed, 5 years का warranty में 44,990 rupees में you will get this bed. Then ये जो lamp है, it is for 649 rupees. You can get alarm clocks from here for 599 rupees, जो कि मुझे लगता है ये price भी एकदम valid है. Then this paper ceiling lamp also looks very nice. It was for 2,000 something, 2,990 rupees. Then you can get this bed also for 16,990 rupees. I saw a very cute chair for the kids. It's for 799 only. And not only chairs but stool भी बहुत किस्म का है. You have to assemble it by your own. The price for this is 412 something. I'm not sure about the price. And IKEA पे you will get lots of storage boxes in all different sizes. Then here is a thin piece of culinary set where you will get forks, knives and then spoons. 18 pieces of it only for 99 rupees. और उससे ही बहुत अलग-अलग कलर का plates भी था इस पे. And you guys, we are obsessed with glass bottles, तो इसीलिए we got one of this. The smaller one was for 89 rupees and the bada one for 149 rupees. They have funnels also. The steel spoon set here is for 321. Then I really like this pastel silicone ice molds also, but we already have lot in our place. And then इसलिए इसको अभी नहीं ले रही हूँ. I forgot the price, 699 something. And this set is for 399, 4 piece के लिए बहुत reasonable price. And the smaller ones for 149. Then here is a glass dispenser which we already have. It's for 1,490 rupees. Then if you're a coffee lover, you have to get this one. It's a coffee maker, I guess, for 699. And then I saw this wooden bowl which I wanted for a long time now, but इसका price थोड़ा सा expensive लगा, maybe because the quality is premium. The smaller one is for 499 and बड़ा वाला का 799. Then I saw this plate. I really love to keep good cutleries in my house. And then I like this one, but ज़्यादा खाने वाला लोग के लिए practical नहीं होगा ये plate. And I saw this bowl set of 3 for 499. I'll get it next time maybe. And then here is this glass storage boxes with wooden lids. और प्लास्टिक में भी अवेलेबल था ये. Then I like this masala का डब्बा also. We can keep different masalas and there is also a stand to hold on. इस पे bedsheet देखा for 999 rupees so that you can sleep better during the night time. इस पे पर्दा भी था, cedar curtains. I like this one, but I have like 7-8 pair of curtains in my house already, so I'm not getting. But I really love the linen one, the linen type one. This is the color that I wanted for my house also. And moving forward, I got to see this laundry bag, which is so nice, only for 399 rupees. But लिया नहीं क्योंकि I already have it. And ये जो है ये stand, ये rack, this is very nice. My friends also have this one. इसका 1290. You can keep your slippers also नीचे में. And ये ला basket तो यहाँ पे available था. At first we picked up एक जो सजाने के लिए रखा था उसको उतार लिया था. They have in different sizes and even this wooden looking but plastic storage also. You can literally find all type of storage, all shape, size and colors in IKEA. And one of the few things he wanted to buy is this toolbox, which was for 800 something, but we'll get it next time. I really like this cloth stand also क्योंकि अंदर में भी कभी कभी कपड़ा सुखाना होता है. It's only for 599, but we did not get it this time. They have big storage also in big sizes. नीचे में चक्का भी है इसके. Then here is the product holder that I wanted for my washroom, so definitely getting it. I'll be definitely buying this wooden hanger ka set in the future. It is for 599, and just because I already have enough lamps in my house, so not getting this one, or else it's very classy. I really like this wall lamp also. It is almost for 1500 rupees. They look very classy, and the lamp that I wanted is for almost 2000 rupees. They have good quality dustbins also, and I saw this money plant which looked very refreshing and very real also. It was for 800 rupees. I want to keep this in the washroom because it's gonna give that fresh vibe. I'm getting this for 800 rupees. I saw this dust speaker and wanted to get one, but then यहाँ से मैं dust speaker नहीं लूँगी. The mushroom lamp here is also for 999 and it's super cute. You'll get lamps in different shapes, size, style and in all different aesthetics. This lamp is for 2290 rupees. It's also nice. सोफा के साइड में भी रख सकते हो. And the other standing lamps also look so good. And इस पे बहुत किस्म के pots भी है. मतलब एकदम, if you are a plant lover, you have to come here. I saw this very cute little plant जो artificial है, but it looks like real. And this cactus set also. It is for, I have to see the price, 349 rupees. और इस पे बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे 3 containers बहुत ज़्यादा था. मतलब if you are a plant lover, you have to come here क्योंकि price भी एकदम अच्छा है. Then this is for your plants. इसमें आप पानी दे सकते हो. It is a very stylish piece and यहाँ पे flower के section में there are different kinds of flowers. और ये जो single में दिख रहा है, it is only for 80 rupees, available in 3 different colors. And then they have sunflower also. Quality बहुत अच्छा था. And this flower vase, it was only for 99 rupees. They have so many flower vase in option. मतलब you can choose it according to your wants. And then मुझे ये वाला भी पसंद आया था. It was for 199 rupees. Also one of the few things he loved from here is this lamp keeper. He told कि ये एक बहुत vibe सा होगा, but we are not getting it now. And यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा scented candles भी है in a very reasonable price. There were different kind of fragrance, chocolate का, vanilla का and all of that. And यहाँ पे जो mirror था ना, it was like this mirror is for 3990 rupees. And जो ये wooden वाला था, I like this one more, and the price for this is 6990 rupees. They have different varieties of mirrors also. And by this time I was a bit tired, and ये actually ये वाला sofa भी मुझे अच्छा लगा. Price was something 20,000 plus. After seeing that I was like कि अभी नहीं. And ये जो एक आता का वो चन्ने वाला, this is also very nice. It's gonna be useful. And I love this wooden का trays also. It's very minimal. So after spending almost 3 hours in IKEA, I'm done shopping and going to the billing section now. And one of the plus point here is that they give free paper carry bags. Bye bye. Hi guys, I'm back home from IKEA and now I'll show you guys what I got from there. So सबसे पहले I got this one. ये मुझे एक पहले से चाहिए था. This is for my kitchen wherein I'll be storing my groceries और कभी-कभी wash करने के लिए भी ये काम आएगा. Secondly, I got this bathroom में रखने के लिए. Actually bathroom में यहाँ पे कुछ भी holder नहीं दिया है, तो this one's gonna be very useful. So in my next vlog, I'll show you guys fixing this in my washroom. And I got this for 489 rupees. And here's the next one. ये भी इसका जैसा ही है, but this is for toothpaste, toothbrush, वो सबको रखने के लिए. And I got this one. It's a wash bag. यहाँ में पिक्चर में जैसे दिख रही है उसे ट्रायंगल होके खुलता है समोसा की शेप में. तो जब भी बाहर जाता है शैम्पू वगैरह को जर्नी में इसमें यहाँ मैं पैक करूँगी. लास्टली आई गॉट दिस ग्लास बॉटल. इट वाज फॉर 89 रुपीज़. सो दैट्स ऑल. मैंने इतना कुछ नहीं खरीदा ये पर. तो आई वेंट देयर टू एक्सप्लोर एंड आई एम समवन हु लव्स विंडो शॉपिंग. तो अभी पूरा एक राउंड विंडो शॉपिंग करके रखा है वहाँ पे. एंड जो मुझे सामान चाहिए बहुत कुछ पसंद आया, बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन माई बजट ऑल्सो. एंड ये बात पे भी डिपेंड करता है कि अभी वो सामान का मतलब अभी के समय में एग्जैक्टली चाहिए क्या नहीं है. तो वो चीज़ के बीच में खरीदा नहीं बहुत सामान. तो अभी जो लिया वो बस यूजफुल सामान लिया है. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट IKEA इज देयर इन दिल्ली. इफ़ यू ऑल्सो वांट टू विजिट IKEA इन दिल्ली देन यू हैव टू गो टू सुभाष नगर का पैसिफिक मॉल. उसके लिए सुभाष नगर का मेट्रो भी है. फ्रॉम देयर एग्जिट फ्रॉम गेट नंबर 2 एंड वहाँ से just 150 meters में there's specific mall. You don't have to take e-rickshaw from there because we took that and ऐसे दो सांस लेके वहाँ पहुँच गया था. तो you don't have to waste your 10 rupees and then you'll reach there by walk. So yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure that you like, comment and subscribe to my channel please. See you in my next one. Bye bye.